Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome to my channel. I have a Halloween centerpiece for you today. The tools that you'll be needing for this project: a glue gun and glue sticks, a pair of scissors, and a pair of wire cutters. The materials that you'll be needing: a package of skulls, 8 pieces, this skull decor piece, this piece of foam, Craft Artisan, 3.8 by 2.8, 2 of the trick-or-treat signs, and about 2 or 3 packages of black roses. Now all of these items are purchased at the Dollar Tree. This one item, which I'm going to add some, the black roses that have the little eyeballs in them, I got these from the 99-cent store for 99 cents. So if you have a 99-cent store near you, you can pick some of these up. Otherwise, it'll perfectly work with just the black roses from Dollar Tree. Okay, let's get started. So I went ahead and took all the plastic off of the signs, took the tags off, and I'm prepping the florals. So what I like to do is I always take whatever leaves or greenery that come with it, and I like to push it up to the top of the stems so that I make sure that I'm able to use everything. To make it easier, I go ahead and just cut the individual stems. This way it just makes it much easier. I can grab what I need. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the signs and we're going to glue them back to back. This is going to be our base of our centerpiece. So you just want to make sure that they're the right side up when you glue them together. I'm going to run a bead of glue around. There's not a lot of contact surface to glue the two pieces together, so you want to make sure you get a nice bead all the way around. And line it up. Hold it together. Make sure you get a nice seal. I really like this sign. It's so pretty. I like the way that it looks antique. I really like the font. I think it's really cute for Halloween. The next step is you're going to take your green foam and we're going to glue that right to the middle. And just kind of eyeball where the middle is. Want a good amount of glue on that. Okay, so that's on there. And then the next step is you want to glue our little guy. He fits perfectly right on top. Now I like him not quite looking side by side, but a little looking off. Now remember, they're going to be able to see this from either side. So you don't want to make it full on this way. You can do it straight on this way, but I think it's a little bit more interesting if you offset him. And run a nice bead of glue all around the inside. I'm going to have good contact. Have good contact. Now we're going to take some of our roses here and we're going to fill in on the greenery. I'm going to cut down the stem so it's only about maybe an inch long. So we have the flower and the leaf pushed all the way up. Okay, and then you're just going to want to start near the bottom and just push them in. Now you want to make sure as you put your flowers in that you cover up the green. You don't want to see that. I'm just going to go through and kind of alternate. I'm going to do around the bottom first. You want to angle them down just a little bit because you don't want them to cover up the trick or treat. Now, the bundles that I got also came with little spider and twine. I'm going to use these as well. Anything to up the little creep factor. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in around the bottom, and I'll be right back. All right, I have all of my florals stuck in. Nice and full, you cannot see the foam. Now when you're sticking them in, you need to make sure that you keep your petals up so that you can still see the sign. If you just kind of adjust them, you can usually get them up. If you have anything that's really stubborn that keeps sticking down, just cut it off. So the last step is I'm just going to take two of these to glue one down on each end. I'm going to angle them differently. So on this side, this guy's looking that way, and on this side, he's looking this way. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some hot glue. Glue them down. And there you go. It's all done. And he would make a perfect centerpiece for a Halloween party, or just to set out on a table that you can see from all sides. Quick and easy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you like crafts and DIYs, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Once you hit the subscribe button, a little bell will pop up. That's the notification bell. If you hit that as well, YouTube will let you know every time I upload a new video so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for stopping by. You can also link up with my Facebook page, Michelle Smith Creations. That way you can get sneak peeks of up and coming crafts. You can communicate directly with me and ask me questions. You can post some of the work that you've done yourself. So I'll see you over there as well. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day. We'll see you next time.